Hi everyone. Thank you. I hope you had a good Easter weekend. And if you're going back to work today like myself did, or if you're going back to school or uni, I hope you were looking forward to work. I mean, nobody is, but it has to be done. And I want to say thank you so much for everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I am so excited. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Mwah. Listen, and I'm going to shout out to all my friends across the pond. Evan and Gil, hi. We're still missing you, okay? So there's a few things in this video, serious business right now. We have the council not collecting the rubbish. All the rubbish has been built up outside to the point where cats and dogs are having a shopping field day. They're like shopping in these rubbish bags downstairs, right? You go on the streets, there's rubbish piling up on the streets as well. Our property has as like, you will see the videos, so much rubbish. So I'm just giving a shout out to one house in Riverside to come and collect these rubbish. You know, I mean, I know they're on strike, but come on. The council and their managers and the deputy managers and their assistants go and find a truck and get somebody to drive that blasting truck and come and collect these rubbish. So not only is the rubbish not collected, I've been reporting this back door from time and no one comes out to fix it. They said that they've been fixing it and somebody keeps on breaking it off, which I don't believe that, because I just don't believe it. And the back gate that's always constantly left open, they said that they're going to close it at 5 p.m, but still wasn't closed today. So a lot of things been happening. This door is not safe, and I keep telling them that all the time. So I guess these are the people that we need to contact. I've sent emails out to the Riverside One Housing, and no one. And today, actually, after all the mess of the rubbish, I had to just clear my head, because it was just too much to see when I go to the back gate and see all the rubbish piling up. And then you see rats running around of the rubbish, and you see foxes having a great time, and you see cats moving around in there as well. I just need somewhere peaceful to relax. So I just went over to the park to clear my head and just to get in some fresh air, to be honest, because with all this rubbish just piling up, it's just too much. So I just went into the park and just sit and relax and just watch nature. It's always nice to see greenery, you know, just to suck up that energy from the greenery. That's everything to me, you know. I love the park, and I just love to sit there and think of nothing and just watch time go by. So I hope this will help somebody as well. come to the park.